nagbibiro lamang. At huwag sabihin ako'y nagyayabang lamang. Ngunit di ko na inakala na ang isang tulad mo ay ibig sa isang tulad ko. Akala ko hanggang panaginip na lang. Ako na yata ang pinakamagandang lalaki sa mundo. Sa piling mo, pagkasama kita, ang nadarama. Ako na yata ang pinakamagandang lalaki sa mundo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Beautiful girls all over the world I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby.
Yeah.
Nothing on you,
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. I know you feel where I'm coming from, regardless of the things in my past that I've done. Most of it really was for the hell of the fun. On a carousel, so around I spun. With no direction, just trying to get some. Trying to chase skirts, living in the summer sun. And so I lost more than I had ever won. And honestly, I ended up with none. There's so much nonsense, it's on my conscience.